Lecture number 7. In the last lecture, we have seen the different definitions of what do you mean by ligand, what is the coordination sphere, then how do you find the oxidation state, central metal ion कौन सा रहता है and all. Now let us proceed with the types of ligands. I again repeat the definition of a ligand. See, ligand क्या रहेगा? It is a Levy's base. Levy's base. अभी Levy's base when I say, so it will donate the electron pair. वो किसको donate करेगा? It will donate to the central metal atom, right? And forming a coordinate covalent bond. So I can define a ligand as it may be an atom, it may be a molecule, it may be an ion which is capable of donating a pair of electrons to the central metal or an ion and forms a coordinate bond that is called as a ligand. Now, in this lecture, we will see the different types of ligands. The very first, as I have written, it is called as a unidentate. Unidentate, or it is the same is called as monodentate. Mono मतलब one, uni मतलब one. What do you mean by unidentate or monodentate ligands? The ligands that coordinate to the central ion through only one donor atom. Through only one donor atom. Donor atoms इसमें कितना है? Only one. So for example, neutral का example है ammonia, water. I said chloride. It can be an atom. It can be an ion. It can be neutral. So these are the examples of unidentate. The same is called as a monodentate ligand. Now the next we proceed with the bidentate ligands. Bi मतलब क्या? दो. तो donor sides कितना रहेगा? दो रहेगा. See, I have represented there by an arrow the ligands which have two donor atoms and therefore they can coordinate in the two opposite positions. They are called as didentate or bidentate. These are the examples. See, this is the donor side. कितने हैं? दो. So it is called as bidentate. This is the example of an oxalate ion. What is that? This is ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethane 1,2-diamine. It is written as En. It is written as En. It is written as OX. OX मतलब oxalate ion. They are bidentate. Next, we can have more examples. The more examples I just send you in the WhatsApp group. Just go through it because I am not able to write all the examples over here because it will take time. The only thing is the concept should be clear. Bidentate मतलब क्या? Polydentate मतलब क्या? Poly मतलब मेनी. अभी poly में क्या क्या आएगा? Poly में आएगा tridentate, 3 donor sides. Tetradentate. See, this is example of a tridentate. Triethylene, triamine. Donor sides कितने हैं? 3. So it is called as tridentate. Tetradentate होगा. There are many examples. Pentadentate होगा. Tetradentate का example क्या रहेगा? Triethylene tetramine. Pentadentate होगा ethylene diamine triacetate. All these I will provide in the notes in our group. So don't worry about that. So that is the description of the ligands. How are they classified into bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate. मतलब donor sides कितना रहेगा? 6 रहेगा. So these are the classification of the ligands. Now one more thing I would like to explain here is ambident ligand. Ambident. If you remember cyanide, I said it is ambident. Ambident. If you remember the reaction of it in the alkyl halides. Alkyl halide when reacted with KCN, alkyl halide reacting with AgCN, the different products क्या था? एक जगह पे हमको क्या मिला था? साइनाइड. KCN के साथ क्या मिला? साइनाइड. AgCN के साथ क्या मिला? आइसोसाइनाइड. अब ये two different products क्यों है? Because acid can attack from either way. If you remember, तो C से भी अटैक हो सकता है, N से भी अटैक हो सकता है. तो what do you mean by ambident ligands? The monodentate ligands which can coordinate with the central atom through more than one site. For example, see we have written here it is nitrito. वहाँ पे attack is from N. Or so it is written as nitrito N because the attack is from N. You can see right hand side में first example Nitrito O, मतलब the attack is from O, so that is nitrito O. Next example, cyanide, isocyanide. Cyanide is a ligand that is called as ambident ligand. Attack अगर C से है तो वो cyanide हो गया, attack अगर N से है वो isocyanide हो गया. So that is called as ambident ligand. Thiocyanato, SCN attack is from N, NCS attack is from S. Isothiocyanato, it is isothiocyanato, the attack is from N. What I'll do is I'll send the copy of it in our WhatsApp group. You can just go through the different types of ligands. The chart also is there in your text. So these are the different types of ligands which are very important, and then you should know कि okay, ये triethylene triamine, it is the example of tridentate. Bidentate, oxalato, if they say, you should immediately strike कि okay, और ये तो bidentate ligand है. Ethylene diamine, it is written as EN, that is a bidentate ligand. The answer should be at the tip of your tongue. Okay, now we proceed in the next lecture.